I have some experience of administration in the sense that I have functioned as a minister for a number of years, both in a state as well as at the center. Yet I am still a layman. For a layman to speak in the presence of experts is always embarrassing, but I feel that a layman in power is not much of a risk. The real magic, the real secret of the success of an administrator or of a minister does not lie merely in analyzing certain problems apply and in a very shrewd manner. What is more important is that he should have his hands on the pulse of the country. He should be in a position to know about the thinking, about the approach, about the attitude of the people. So, to say the mind of the people in that context, a layman may be sometimes better than a technocrat. The people judge us by what they get in their villages, by what they get in their cities. They judge us by the response and sympathy they get from administrators. They are interested to know whether they get replies to their letters and complaints within a very reasonable period. These are small things, but the people really attach highest importance to these things. I have been to visit two villages this morning. The villagers there told me that given proper treatment and helpful attitude, they would certainly do their best to increase agricultural production, which should get highest importance at the present moment. Unless we stabilize prices of food grains, I do not think we can bring down the prices of other items. I was shocked to hear of the difficulties which could be solved at the district level, but at the present moment our best officers have gone to the secretariat and the district officers are being held by young officers. There needs to be some experience and skill before an officer takes over as a district magistrate and collector of a district. The work of a district magistrate is exceedingly important and it needs tact, balance as well as drive and push. The district magistrate must have had at least 6 years of experience, and even this period to my mind is too small a period. Unfortunately, there have been several transfers of district magistrates. Unless district magistrate is allowed to stay in a district at least for 3 years, he will not be able to do justice and produce any result if there is any special reason about the district magistrate. Certainly, he could be transferred or any other steps can be taken, but these frequent changes are not good for us at all. In the case of developmental activities at the present moment, there is no proper coordination. Formerly, the district magistrate used to be the coordinating authority, being in overall charge of the district of every activity. Now there is the district magistrate, the heads of various departments like irrigation, community development, etc. All these different units work independently. They are not under the control or guidance of the district magistrate, but they have their direct connection with the heads of the department sitting in the state secretariat, or they may have some officers at the divisional level. The result is that there is no proper coordination. This is not good. Dear sirs, I have come to know through a reliable source that you want to give an agency of your manufactured goods, and I have the honor to request you to allot the same to me. I may hereby point out that I have experience of 10 years in this line, and I have been selling the goods manufactured by 3 different firms. I have got enough local contacts, and thus I may spread the business in the vicinity of the twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad, where I have been carrying on my business. I belong to a respectable family, and I have got good contacts. If you consider my case favorably, I may assure you that I shall be able to tap new sources and secure more orders for your firm. Furthermore, I may state that the commission that I get from other firms is 20% only, and I am ready to undertake your assigned work of agency on the same terms and conditions. I have got a very good showroom, and I may also open a few more showrooms for the goods of your concern. I am certain you will consider my case favorably. Please also let me have the information about the amount to be deposited as security against the goods supplied. I may assure you on my part that I would be sparing no pains in promoting your goods. Yours faithfully.